flat noodle.
White,
Rice noodle.
white flat rice noodles with beef. And we're going to put some kale in there, onions, carrots. I think that's it. These beef bones this morning with meat, a little bit of meat on there. Mostly bones for the broth. Yeah. Kale all cleaned up. We picked this morning, or I picked this morning, out in the cold. Look pretty good once it's cleaned up and warmed up slightly. Ought to be fairly tasty. Do Celebrity Chef edition, but the Celebrity Chef didn't want to be filmed, so I guess I'll be substituting. So you'll have me as a celebrity. Not much of one, but I'm not even a B-rated celebrity. More like maybe a Z-rated. Okay, the flat noodles. Which are there. You need to boil those for about 10 minutes and then drain them before you put them into the soup. I guess, what are you going to stir fry that first? You're going to stir fry it first and then add it to the soup. Soup's on the back of the stove there boiling. Greens and carrots and stuff are already in there. I guess Celebrity Chef is telling me I need to stir it. I guess she's the chef and I'm just the sous chef. I've been ordered by chef to stir fry this meat here. It's already hot. She's fast, man. Those Asians are quick. I'll tell you that much. I'm stirring, boss. I'm stirring. There's noodles there. They're just going to pour everything over top of it, right? It's out in his car, I guess. All right. I'm going to put the broth over the noodles. And then you're going to put the meat over top of that. That's pretty much it. It's like a hot pot, I guess. Kind of, sort of. Fairly quick, fairly simple. All right, that's it. Now, you just take some of your chili oil here. Just kind of put how much ever you want on there and then stir it in. That's it. And let's eat. What do you say? Kahina tayo? Let's eat. All right, that's it. Thank you. If you like my content, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Appreciate it.